What's up, y'all? And welcome back. Your girl is back with another cooking video. Y'all probably wondering what the hell this is, but I'm gonna tell you what it is. Okay, today we making a seafood bake. Seafood bake. I know when y'all heard that, y'all was getting hungry. So, what's in the seafood bake? We have shrimp, peeled in the vein, because all that, I was not peeling in the vein in no shrimp. Not today, no. We have baby red potatoes. We have some garlic, a little bit of onion and pepper. We have a Dooley sausage, corn, butter, and our seasonings. And of course, our foil. Now what we're going to start with, since we have to slice and chop corn and then slice some of these sausages, let me show you how I'm going to do that. So we're going to start with our veggies because you don't want to cross-contaminate. I'm going to use, let's start with 3. I'm going to wash off our produce. Feel me? Wash the produce off. Make sure you wash the produce off. Wash your produce off. Because you go to grocery stores, you got people touching stuff. Some people don't wash their hands when they go to the bathroom, and that is so disgusting. Even though this was already wrapped and stuff, I still wash my produce. I don't give a F-U-C-K. But I've been washed these. I just put them in a bowl, obviously. So, we're going to take our corn, and I'm going to do, let's see, about 4 sections. Oh, corn is hard. I think I'm going to put that in there.
I think you.
Let me know when you want to start there.
Alright, action.
So, we have a little bit of technical difficulties with this knife thing and this corn. Me, not being a smarty, you can't chop fucking corn with this knife here. You're going to need a more equipped one. So, we're going to break this bitch apart because I had a hard time trying to chop this bitch. You just take the damn corn. That's how we're going to do that. Instead of 4 sections.
Try to break it into a small one.
You pause it again? Oh. I'm milking this bitch right now.
Don't do it.
I just made a big mess. Fuck it did. Fuck it did. We not.
That's a big ass piece of corn.
I'm trying. My hands hurt.
Over the camera. Don't put me in the video.
It's hard, yo. I know next time when I go buy some fucking corn, make sure that shit is already chopped the fuck up. Cause I cannot. Not that. Let me clean my board off because that corn done made a... It was a bloody death out here. Corn juice and bodies everywhere. I forget that. Better go to the sausage. At least this is a little easier to slice than that damn corn. Either my knife wasn't sharp enough or that corn was taking some fucking steroids or something. But nah, that corn is tough. Now we're just gonna slice this. Let me show you how I'm going to slice this. If you're advanced, you know how to do more than one at a time. But since y'all not advanced, I don't know. I'm not gonna say y'all not advanced, but I don't know who's advanced with the knife skills. So for my beginners, we're gonna take Get you a chef knife. I don't want to see nobody with them plastic knives trying to chop something. Them little butter knives you get from Walmart. This chef knife comes in handy. Okay? I'm just gonna slice. No, y'all, I'm gonna sue Wegmans with some fucking old ass piece of sausage. But nah. Okay. I can smell it. I should have checked the fucking date. But I didn't.
Show them how the experts get done.
Experts. Oh my God, that's Sean. That's how we do it in the culinary world. Like, what the fuck did she do different than what she did with the first one? She just sliced it too, exactly, 2 at a time. Some people are scared to use knives because they're afraid to cut themselves. But me, I take risk. If I chop my finger off in this video, I'm still gonna upload this bitch. I don't give a fuck. But I don't care. That finger and this sausage is gonna be together. This don't smell good. For anybody who's making this, if you're not, well, I'm letting you guys know this right now. A Dooley sausage is spicy. It has a kick to it. So if you do not like any spicy foods in that direction, just go with a simple Calabasas sausage. A simple Italian sausage will work. I'm pretty sure any sausage will work. Pause. Word. What is so funny though? I'm gonna cut this bag open while we at it, because it's about to be a long video. Because my corn, I'm mad as a bitch about that corn. Now you're gonna take our foil. Take foil. Right? So, we're going to put a few sausages. My hands are small, so a handful of sausages. We're going to take this bad boy, a handful, a few potatoes. We're going to do the shrimp last because we don't know cross-contamination. Definitely going to do the shrimp last. Potatoes, a few potatoes. Make sure you put enough potatoes. A few potatoes.
It's for the girls that's trying to get thick.
To be honest, I don't know who this is for. If you're trying to get thick, man, you better eat. I'm not gonna tell you to eat unnecessary food, but eat all food groups if you want to get thick out here. You try to be like Rihanna, better drink some beer.
I'm asleep.
Some potatoes. No, you probably got some. Are you only gonna do 3? No, I'm gonna do 3 different ones. 3 different ones. I'm gonna do 1 with corn, 1 without corn, and I'm gonna do a specialty one. It's not really special, just 1 added extra ingredient, probably 2, depending on my mood. Some sausage, some sausages, handful of sausages. All right. Now we're gonna add. Now this is going to be 1 with corn, I'm gonna add a little garlic to all. Hey, that's not even a little, that's a little garlic. Little garlic. I'm gonna add a corn. It's gonna fucking steam, baby. Steam. Steam. Now for the specialty one, we're gonna add only extra ingredients like the onions and bell pepper. And add a little bit of that to that. We're gonna add pepper. Oh, a little pepper, not a lot, because remind you, the sausages are already spicy. Now for the specialty one, it's going to come with lemon pepper seasoning. So I have Mrs. Dash, that boy, please. Let me speak how I want to speak. Mrs. Dash salt-free lemon pepper seasoning. It smells pretty good. I'm not going to hold y'all. So we're going to add a little bit of that. We're going to be like Emerald and a little bit extra. And then we're going to add some salt. Pick up the wrong thing. Salt. 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 We're going to do what we did to that specialty ones. I wanted to break it down to y'all how we was going to get it down today. You're probably like, but you didn't even mix this fucking shrimp. I know, right? Now we're going to add a little bit of shrimp. A few pieces of shrimp to each one. Oh gosh, you guys. Right. Now that we are back with the seafood baked foil pockets. I don't even think I even said that in the beginning. I probably called it a different name. But these are seafood baked foil pocket. It's not really seafood, but it has a part of a type of seafood. Get it? I don't know. Now with these, I'm just gonna form I forgot an important ingredient. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter in each, because that's a lot of butter.
That's the salted or unsalted?
Unsalted butter. Reason why it's unsalted because we added kosher salt, and kosher sure is a whole lot. You don't want it salty. You never want your food salty because the sausages are also has a type of salt content in it, and you don't. Like I said, you don't want nobody who has like a high blood pressure to be even going to the hospital eating this. I'm sorry. Like,
that kind of look like a lot of butter.
You think it's a lot of butter?
It's unsalted though, so it's cool.
So now, with these pockets, just gonna have them just like that. Just like that. That's one way you can do it. Okay. I'll show you the other way. Just having it like this. Let me turn it this way because that's what it seems like. And doing it like this. want them corners inward so that way none of the butter comes out. That's another way. That look like an empanada, but we're not making those. So these are two different ways that you guys can do your foil pockets. Whichever one is better for you. So if you don't know how to do that or you ain't comfortable, create a light bulb and you will be great. So we're going to have those. But I'm going to continue to do the rest of them. And I will be right back.
Action.
So as you can see, I cleaned up really well. Yes, I cleaned up well. Make sure you do clean up after yourself when you're cooking, because you don't need your spouse at you, yelling at you like like a little chihuahua. We don't need that. So let's get back to it, the fucking topic. As you see, I'm done with my little seafood baked foils. Because I want to call it
Pockets.
seafood baked pockets. I done did a few of them. I always forget to tell y'all to preheat your motherfucking ovens. We're gonna preheat the oven to 375. We're gonna place these in the oven. For 30 minutes. We don't have like huge potatoes. I would say tomatoes. Can you say potato? We're gonna place these in the oven for 30 minutes. And then after that, I'm gonna show you the final result. And we're gonna sample. Even though this is our dinner for tonight, but we're still gonna sample it. If it's nasty, you're gonna see it all in my face. If it's good, you're gonna get 2 thumbs up. So we'll be back in 30 minutes to show you guys the final product. Ow. What's up? I am back. Now as you can see, the food is done. I'm recording this section by myself because the cameraman left. He had things to do, you know, little projects of his own that he has to do. So I'm going to show you guys the finished product. Here is our finished product. OMG. Now, let's see what a shroom tastes like. Let me get a plate. Here is the finished product. Well, I put it in a bowl instead because of the butter and stuff. But that is it. Let's try it. About to try it. Wish me luck. Perfectly seasoned, perfectly seasoned, the right amount of butter. Potatoes are not overcooked, they're just right. Listen, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. The food came out great. Make sure you like and subscribe to this video. Leave a comment below. And I don't know about you, but I'm about to enjoy the rest of this food. Peace.